In this lesson, we will see how to import CAD data into Technomatics Process Simulate. CAD data is usually available in exportable formats, for example, STEP format or IGES format, or it can be in a native format from any CAD software or CAD tool. And in that case, you may probably need to convert it into a STEP format, and then we can import it into Technomatics Process Simulate. TPS or Technomatics Process Simulate uses JT format, which is a different format than a unique format specific to Technomatics software, and it is Jupyter Tessellation. There are two ways to import CAD data into Technomatics Process Simulate or TPS. In the first method, we use an internal CAD translator of TPS, and the software has an option for importing and converting CAD files into TPS. So in this case, we use the internal translator. While there is another method in the second method, which I usually prefer, and in this method, I use another software, in this case, for example, NX, and I import CAD data first into NX, then export CAD data in JT format to the root directory of Technomatics Process Simulate. So let's see how it works. I have NX opened here. It will take some time to import CAD file into NX depending on the size of the file. So this is the gripper that I want to use in Technomatics software, and then so now it is open in NX, and then I will go to TPS, make sure that your root directory is accurately defined, and then I will go to modeling, and in modeling I will create a new resource. So gripper is basically a resource. There are two types of entities that you can create in TPS: a new part or a new resource. Part is the items that are processed by a manufacturing system, while a resource are those active resources or active or passive resources which perform processing on the parts. So in this case, gripper is a resource, and I will select it as a gripper. It is important that you define it as a gripper. So now I have created a gripper in object tree, and then I will click on this end modeling. If you click end modeling, it will ask you to save it. I will save it in the same folder, but make sure that it is within the root directory. So now it has been saved, and then I will go back to, so now I have created a dummy gripper file. Then I am going back to NX and go to File, Export, JT, and don't change this load configuration file from, that is default file for conversion, and output file is CAD PS file, the file that I just created through Technomatics PS, and I will replace this file. Yes, as assembly and folder of parts, apply. So now this data has been exported over there in the root directory. I am going back to TPS, and here I will select this gripper. You don't see anything, but then I will set it in modeling scope. Once it is in modeling scope, you can see that this gripper has been imported into TPS, and now it is ready to use. So this is how you can import CAD data into TPS, and then you can start defining its kinematics. Thank you.